In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OBS Studio to record your screen. This tutorial is designed especially for beginners, so if you've never used OBS Studio before, don't worry. We'll walk through each step together to make sure you get a solid grasp of the process. First, you'll want to open up the OBS Studio app on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the official OBS website. Once you have OBS Studio open, you'll notice the interface might look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't let that deter you. We're going to focus on just the essentials you need to get your screen recording started. Next, let's talk about scenes. Scenes in OBS are essentially templates containing various elements that you want to include in your recording or stream. For a straightforward screen recording, you'll typically need just one scene. So go ahead and click on the Scenes box located at the bottom left of the screen, and let's get started by adding a new scene. Click the plus button to add a scene, and you can name it whatever makes sense to you. Something like screen recording is a practical choice. Once you've created your scene, we need to focus on sources. This is where you tell OBS exactly what you want to record. In this case, we want to capture your screen, so you'll need to add a display capture source. Again, you'll see a plus sign under the Sources box. Click it and choose Display Capture from the list. A window will pop up where you can name your capture. Feel free to leave it as Display Capture unless you want something more specific. Once that's done, you'll be able to select which monitor you'd like to capture if you have multiple screens. Make your selection and hit OK. The next thing we need to do is set up our output. By default, OBS will record to a standard folder in your videos library, but you can customize where you want your recordings to be saved. Click on File in the upper left corner, then head to Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Output section. Here you can choose your recording path and set your preferred video format. Make your selections, hit Apply, and then OK to save any changes. Now let's fine-tune the recording settings. This ensures the quality is just as you like it. Click on Settings again, but this time navigate to the Recording tab. Here you can adjust settings specific to your recording needs, like resolution and bitrate, to ensure your video output meets your expectations. And finally, once everything is set up, it's time for the exciting part. Hit the Start Recording button on the right-hand side of the OBS interface. You'll see a timer start running, indicating that everything you do on your screen is now being captured. So there you have it. You've successfully set up OBS Studio to record your screen. Once you're finished with your recording, simply click Stop Recording, and your file will be saved to the designated location. With practice, you'll find this process becomes second nature, allowing you to easily create high-quality screen recordings whenever you need them.